Hi everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to completely get rid of Google Chrome asking for a password at startup on Linux Mint by using a very simple method, setting an empty password for the keyring. This is especially useful if you're the only one using the computer or if you don't need encrypted storage for your saved browser passwords. When Chrome starts on Linux Mint, it often asks for the keyring password. That's the system's internal password manager where your credentials are stored securely. If that keyring is protected by a password, any program that needs access to it has to ask for it. By setting the password to empty, the system simply stops prompting you. Here's how to do it. Open the Linux Mint menu and search for an application called Passwords and Keys or Seahorse. Once inside, look at the left side and find the keyring named Login. That's the one Chrome uses. Right-click on Login and choose Change Password. A window will appear asking for the current keyring password. If you've already unlocked it earlier, it's the same password you used to log into your session. Enter it and continue. Now for the important part, leave the new password field completely empty. Don't type anything there. Then confirm. The system will warn you that using an empty password makes the keyring unprotected. If that's acceptable for your setup, for example on a personal home computer, go ahead and confirm. Once that's done, close the application and restart Chrome. You'll immediately notice that it no longer asks for a password. The keyring now unlocks automatically without any prompts. Before wrapping up, a quick reminder, leaving the keyring without protection means that anyone who gains access to your user account on the computer could see passwords stored by apps that rely on the keyring. So only use this method if the machine is not shared and security risks are low.